In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tag contacts in GoHighLevel. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add tags to one or many contacts so you can segment your audience, trigger automations, and keep your CRM clean and organized. Start by heading to your contacts area in GoHighLevel. This is your main list where all your people live, and it's the perfect place to manage tags in bulk. Once you're there, locate the specific person you want to tag and click the checkbox next to their name. If you're working with more than one contact, feel free to select multiple checkboxes so the same tag applies to all of them at once. This is great for quickly organizing event attendees, new leads, or subscribers from a recent campaign. With your contact or contacts selected, look for the option to add tags. You'll see an action for add tags in the toolbar or actions menu. If the list is long or you don't see it right away, use the action search field and start typing the action name. As soon as add tags appears, select it to open the tagging window. In the tagging window, click into the tags field. This is where you specify what label you want to apply. Begin typing the tag name you need. If the tag already exists, you'll usually see it suggested. Selecting the existing option helps you keep naming consistent across your account. If you're creating something new, type it clearly so everyone on your team understands what it means later. A helpful habit is to keep tags short, descriptive, and consistent. For example, use singular or plural the same way each time and avoid special characters that are hard to search for. After you've entered the tag name, confirm by clicking Add Tags. GoHighLevel will apply the tag to every contact you selected. You can verify it worked by glancing at the contact row. You should see the new tag appear as a small label. If you open an individual contact profile, you'll also see it listed under their tags. That's all there is to it. Click Contacts, select the checkbox next to your contact, choose Add Tags, type the action name to find it if needed, click into the Tags field, type the tag name, and finish by clicking Add Tags. Use this process to segment leads by source, mark lifecycle stages, or flag engagement, and your campaigns and automations will become more precise and effective. Thanks for watching, and happy tagging in GoHighLevel.